Hi, this is Steve here. This is one of my newest clocks. This is a Anglo American wall clock, time and strike. It rings a bell on the hour only. It's kind of, I rebuilt the movement, and it looks like a sessions movement, but it looks more like an OG style movement. But anyways, I rebuilt it all. These cases were made in Europe and equipped with American style movements back in the day. So this is made of veneer, mahogany veneer, and inlaid with mother of pearl all around. It's pretty neat. The face is really tired. It's all chipping away. It's a tin face, Maltese hands, and the lower door is damaged. I got to fix that, but it had no pendulum when I bought it. But the movement was really in good shape, so I rebuilt the movement, cleaned and oiled it, and I just threw that. I had a spare pendulum, so I threw it on, but I ordered a new one. But it's a really nice clock, and I'm going to put a new paper face on it. But it's beautifully made, very ornate. The lady who I bought it off of, the door wasn't on it. She used to keep her mail in it, in the door area. So, but all the parts were sitting on the bottom of the case. I picked them all up, put it together, and fixed it on my bench, and got it working. So it's a really nice clock, probably 1880, 1890, this clock, judging by the movement. So this is an Anglo American clock with, I believe it's a sessions movement. So anyways, thanks a lot. Goodbye.